What's up, people? This is Slim Olokwe with the Eagle Mindset TV, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about drop shipping. So the title of this video is going to be Introduction to Drop Shipping, and this will be for people who are new to drop shipping, people who want to make money with drop shipping, people who are coming into drop shipping, people who are trying to know what is drop shipping. This video is for you. You are going to know everything about drop shipping, and it's going to be very clear to you. Maybe not everything, but what is drop shipping on its own is going to be clear to you. So let's go into it. Before I talk about drop shipping, let me talk about the normal brick and mortar business. What is brick and mortar business? Brick and mortar business is a business that have a location where the business do their business, right? So maybe the business is selling products, maybe they sell shoe, maybe they sell whatever they sell. They have a shop where they sell this product, and most time these shops are not the ones who manufacture the product they are selling. Most of these shops get their supplies from wholesalers or directly from the manufacturers, right? So they get these products in large amounts or in large numbers. They bring it to their own warehouse, they save it there, they store it there. They make sure it's secure, that it's not going to spoil. Then they advertise it in their shop, in the mall, or however they can, right? So that is business, right? So the retailer, who is the person who is now trying to sell the product to the final customer, is just kind of acting like a middleman. But this middleman is a middleman with responsibility, because he's a middleman that is taking a lot of risk. This middleman, this retailer, has paid the manufacturer or the wholesaler for the products. Now he's storing it in his warehouse, waiting for people to eventually buy them. So there is risk on his part, because what if he could not sell the product? What if the product expired? What if, right? So now let's talk about drop shipping. Drop shipping is the same thing as the retailing business. In fact, drop shipping is a retailing business. But this kind of retailing business, the retailer don't need to buy the product up front. The retailer don't need to buy the product from the manufacturer or from the wholesaler and store it in their warehouse and wait until they sell it. No. What the retailer does is the retailer gets a picture or some pictures of the product and post it on his own website or on eBay, on Amazon, on AliExpress, on Bonanza, on name it. Any website where you can get people to buy your product, right? So when people eventually buy the picture, buy the picture, the post you posted on Facebook or on eBay or on your own website, then the retailer will place an order with the wholesaler or the manufacturer and give the customer's shipping address to the manufacturer or the wholesaler, which they are acting as the supplier now. The retailer will submit the shipping information of the customer to the wholesaler, and then the wholesaler will ship the product directly to the customer without putting their own label on it. So the product is gonna go to the customer without looking like it comes from the wholesaler. In fact, most time, if you have a good deal with your suppliers, they might have your stickers with them, and they might put your stickers on the products, or they put your card on the product, something like that. But some suppliers might not do it for you, but they won't put their own information on it. So everything will be good, right? But they will put your address, right? They will put the name of your shop, stuff like that. So now let's get into it. Now, you know what is dropshipping, right? Good. Where dropshipping is concerned, you are actually acting as the middleman, as I explained earlier, concerning the retailer, buying something from the wholesaler and all that kind of stuff. You that you want to know about dropshipping. Obviously, you want to know about dropshipping maybe because you want to make money with dropshipping, right? Let me tell you something. I have been making money with dropshipping for more than 5 years. Okay? Dropshipping is real, and you can make a lot of money with this business. But this is it. This is the fact. This is the truth about this business. This business is not a get rich quick scheme. You are not going to buy a Lamborghini tomorrow. Okay? So this is not a business you think, oh, I want to come into this business and start. Look, all those people, I know there's a lot of gurus out there trying to mentor people on how to make money with dropshipping, make 6 million with dropshipping in 2 weeks. People will say how I make 30,000 in 2 days. I started dropshipping yesterday and I already make 150k. All these people, they will just be posting a lot of crap. Wait, look, don't believe them. Okay, dropshipping is not like that. I'm telling you, dropshipping is not really like that. It is very sweet. It's very interesting. What could be more interesting than posting picture and selling it? What you're actually selling in dropshipping is pictures. You are selling pictures. You are selling content. It's all about the description you wrote. You wrote a nice description. You put nice pictures or nice videos. These are what people pay for. Then you pay for the real product. Then they get it. So it's all about your picture and the content you promote and the people you are promoting it to. So what could be more easier than this? What are you actually doing? You are not doing anything. You are just making money, right? So this is very easy, right? But it is not as easy as it sounds, okay? Because you might be doing it wrong. You might be doing it wrong. And most of these gurus, they will tell you that, okay, it is very easy. What you need to do is to create a Shopify, shop on Shopify shop, use my link in the description, use my link, use my link, click my link. You must use the link to use the link, my Shopify. Look, use it, my link only. So when you use my link, they will emphasize on this link. You know what I'm saying? Click my link, my link. So you will know this is basically what they are doing. They are doing the video so you can click a link. You know what I'm saying? So it is not just about creating a shop on Shopify. These people will tell you, create a shop on Shopify. Then you will now go to Facebook and you will create a Facebook account and Instagram. So you will put money in your Facebook account. You will now start targeting. You will go to Facebook. You will type buy it now. Then you will start seeing your competitions. So when you see your competitions, so you will target. These people are just saying shit. At the end of the day, if you follow this crap, you will end up just wasting money. You will just end up losing money. Instead of doing dropshipping this way, just go and do Forex. Go and trade Forex. Okay? Dropshipping is not a gamble. You don't gamble on dropshipping. You don't gamble with this business. This is a real business. You know what I'm saying now? If you want to do this business, you have to do it correctly. Okay? You don't shoot and pray. You don't spray and pray in this business. You have to really spray and kill. So how do you do it? Well, that's for another video, But this video is just to introduce dropshipping to you, to let you know that dropshipping is easy, dropshipping is interesting. Dropshipping, in my own opinion, is the best business online today. Because in dropshipping you can sell a car. you can sell a car. You can sell anything. Imagine, you don't need to have anything. If you are creative enough, you can actually dropship a building. You can sell a house. And you are not even the owner of the house. You can sell a house. You can sell a yacht. You can sell anything with dropshipping. What could be more easier? You don't need to have it. You just need to know someone who have it. Then have a picture of the product, show it to someone or to people who will want it. But the best way to show it to people is not through Facebook. The best way to show it to people is not through Facebook. We are going to be talking about how to show your product to the right people, how to get the right people, how to sell products and other kind of stuff in another video. But in this video, I'm just here to explain what is dropshipping. You know, it's easy, it's interesting. From this video, you should know already if dropshipping is easy or not, or what is dropshipping. If you still don't know what is dropshipping after this explanation, then I don't know what you have been listening to. You know, so you know what is dropshipping. You know the concept now that dropshipping is all about me selling a picture and writing something good about what is in the picture I'm selling, you know, and you know, something good that will make people say, yes, I want this product, let me have it, take my money, you know. And when you receive their money, you pay the supplier, which is going to ship the product to your customer, right? What could be easier than that? I don't know. This is too easy. Right? Dropshipping is interesting, it is easy. So subscribe to the channel, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you are already in dropshipping, you want us to know some stuff, you want to educate me, or you want to educate the people who are going to be reading the comments, you know, drop few lines out there. I'm going to, you know, respond to every comment. As I said, please subscribe to this channel, guys. I'll be dropping hot helpful information concerning how to, you know, be successful with your online business, with your dropshipping business, with your e-commerce business, with your, you know, blogging business, with your affiliate marketing business. You know, you are going to be getting great content on this channel, man. You know, so subscribe, guys. Until next time, Slim Olokpe on the Eagle Mindset TV. Peace.